Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated Instagram story. Okay, to do this I'm going to use a free Android app called MoStory. Head to the Play Store and install the app. You'll also get the download link in the description below. Once installed, launch it. This app shows you different categories from which you can choose one for your story. There are a few templates with lock icons on it which are paid. To create a story, select the template you like. This shows you the animated preview of how it's going to look. Just tap on Edit and personalize the template. Now tap on the plus icons and add your pictures. This app also lets you apply filters on picture before adding them to the template. Furthermore, you can also edit the text and customize it by changing the font, text size, spacing and color. Once you're done editing, just tap on the check icon. This saves the animated story in your phone and shows the preview. From here, you can post the story directly on Instagram. That's it guys, this is how you can create animated Instagram story. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.